In this video, I'll show you how to recover data that was permanently deleted from the recycle bin in Windows 10. Recovering your files is possible even after your hard drive crashes or recycle bin is emptied. See, the files still exist on your computer. They're just moved to a lower level of your memory and unfortunately can be overwritten at any time. So act quickly. The sooner you attempt to recover, the better your chances of getting your files back. Let's get started. Click the link in the description box below to visit recoveringdeletedfiles.net. Since we're recovering for Windows, scroll down and select Windows Data Recovery and click the download button. Install and run the software by following the instructions. Okay, here's the software. There are three options on the left: regular scan, advanced, and email. The regular scan is the quickest option. If you're scanning an existing partition, select the hard drive from the drop-down menu. If it's a reformatted drive, select that option. If you know the name of the file or the files you want to recover, you can enter them in the box. If you want to do a general recovery and search for any file that's available, just leave it blank. There's also an option to recover lost emails from Outlook, Outlook Express, and Windows Mail. The third option is to recover an external device. Once you select that option, plug in the external drive, and you can begin the scan. Okay, so for the advanced option, use it to recover from the recycle bin, corrupt hard drive sectors, files without names, and reformatted partitions. Finally, the email option allows you to choose more parameters to drill down your mail recovery. But for this video, we'll select regular scan. Just choose the hard drive and click Start Scan. Here are the results. As you can see, they're separated by file type. Click the plus button to select individual files. Simply select the file or files you want to recover and click the Recover button. As you can see here, they're automatically added to a new recovery folder. It's that simple. Please note, you will have to register the product before you can recover your files. That's it. With data recovery software, you can recover all lost, missing, or deleted files, even permanently erased from the recycle bin. Just make sure to act quickly before that data is overwritten forever. Okay, so click the link in the description box below to visit recovering-deleted-files.net and download and install the software. Once there, run a free scan to see if your files are available for recovery. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more data recovery videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck!